guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So are you looking for instant glow and you have to go for a party and you don't know what to do but you want your skin to glow? I have this amazing face serum that you can just apply 10 minutes before going out. So this is going to be a vitamin C face serum and it will give you instant glow just in a few minutes. And for this, of course, you'll be needing some vitamin C tablets. This is the Limcy vitamin C chewable tablets. And we'll also need some rose water and some glycerin. So what I'm going to do first is crush these tablets. Just take about 1 or 2. So crush it really well, make it into a fine powder. So to this I'm going to be adding about 1 teaspoon of glycerin. And now I'll be adding about 2 teaspoons of rose water. So now we have to mix it really well. This is going to be very watery, somewhat like this, because we've mixed glycerin and rose water. So with the help of a cotton pad, I'm just going to apply it on my face. What you can also do is you can rub some ice on your face and then apply it. So what that will do, ice will open your pores, and if you apply this, you'll get really good instant glow. So guys, I've applied it now. Just wait for 10 minutes and you can rinse it off and then you can apply your makeup. If you want to relax, just take like 2 slices of cucumber, put it on your face and just relax for 10 minutes and you will actually see your face glowing after 10 minutes. So let's wait for 10 minutes and then I'm going to wash my face. It's 10 minutes and even I have to rush for a party, so I'm quickly going to go and wash my face. And you can actually see it glowing. And if you don't have time to go to the parlor and do your cleanup, etc., just will take you 10 minutes. Just do this and then you apply your makeup. So guys, I have to rush for a party. I have to go get ready, and I hope this video has been useful for you all. Let me know in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like this video. Bye guys.